Now this is what I call a beautiful, modern looking dining room table. This is tempered glass, and when I took it out of the box, I have to be honest, it is heavy, but the actual unit itself, the stand it fits on, is not only beautiful, but extremely sturdy, extremely heavy duty. Took me about half an hour to put together because there are a good amount of screws, because of course you need to have that kind of sturdiness to be able to take that kind of weight. This is a tempered glass. This is thick. This is really what you are looking for. 48 inches in diameter. It is absolutely gorgeous. Like I said, the stand is extremely modern, but of course, once you're setting it up, of course you have to be very careful because it is quite heavy. I do love the fact that they come with a really nice idea here. Instead of those suction cups, you actually have kind of this mechanism that actually just locks into place within those little cylinders here. So it makes it not only super practical, but also very nice to look at from the top, of course, because it is glass. Beautiful. Like I said, modern. We love this look. We had to install it outside because it does take quite a bit of room to set up, so keep that in mind. But so far, we love it.